Hey guys, this is just a candid update on my life. I am doing really well. We just finished year one Ambleside online, so that's a Charlotte Mason program, and I'm in my house and we got a hammock. This is my Mother's Day present and I've been enjoying it, and the kids have been enjoying using it as a boat. Anyway, I have been thinking about picking up the camera for a long time. I've been thinking, I need to film this. I have this idea, I have that idea, and I write it down and it never gets done. I always think I need to get dressed, I need to clean my house before I start filming, and it is true that a lot of the YouTubers now, their videos are just so amazing and clear and professional. That's just not me. I'm a hippie mother of two. And here comes one of my lovely children right now. Can you let me finish my video? One more minute. I've been filming for 1 minute and 31 seconds and already interrupted. So actually my health, my Lyme's disease and my autoimmune issues are in remission. That doesn't mean I'm doing perfect, but I'm a lot better than I have been, which is amazing. I've really been delving deep into learning more about health. I'm taking a homeopathy course right now from Joette Calabrese. I'm doing her Gateway 1 class, and if you Google that, I'm sure you can find it. It's about $68. It's very affordable, and you're supposed to do it in a group setting, so everyone spends that money and then you like meet together once a week. I've been loving that. I've still been playing the violin. I've been playing, I believe, for 18 months now, and both he and I are growing so much. I have been reading a lot about homeschooling. I have been reading a lot about natural health and herbs and just trying to learn all I can so I can help as many people as I can. I've taken 2 classes from Dr. Kim, who is my naturopath in Gretna, and she's amazing. Both of her classes have fundamentally changed me. And I'm still happily married, almost 10 years. In November, it'll be 10 years. I'm 35, and I do miss YouTube, but it's so hard to be disciplined. I'm not sure if it's a discipline issue or it's just that I do a lot. We're homeschooling. I've been in remission from my autoimmune diseases and Lyme's disease for a little over a month now. It's been about 6 weeks. So that's great, and maybe I can start to do more things, and I don't know what those things will be. I have a house to clean and a whole family to feed, and I cook almost everything from scratch. And last week we finished our last week of homeschool before summer break, and we did not finish all of year one. I wrote a blog post about it, I'll link it down below, but we're going to pick it up and finish that before we start year 2. So I have all of these ideas and wonderful things that I want to do, but I don't know if I have enough time to do them. Because one, I also need to rest, and I need breaks. And I need to be in an environment that's not stressful. And sometimes having the idea that I need to film this or do that is stressful to me. So I'm just gonna do it when I can, which might be never. But I do have this idea of filming Weston A. Price, or Weston, I'm not sure how exactly you say it, Weston A. Price videos, maybe what I eat in a days, I don't know. It's hard to have all this energy and want to help people and be excited about things, but not have time. And God only, hey, I'm filming a video, I need you to give me space right now. God only gave me 24 hours in a day, so that's what I need to work with. When I quit Facebook, my own personal relationships, like my friends in my life, they really exploded. I was spending more time with actual people instead of online, so I'm not sure if this is where I want to be anymore. I'm not sure if this is where I'm called to be. Certainly, I have made some videos that need to be deleted because they were filmed on a potato, but I've made some wonderful videos that I like too, that I'm sure I will cherish for as long as I live. Another thing that is also hard is the amount of noise in my very small house with my very small children, who I adore. But there really isn't personal space here, and I don't have a lot of free time. Just what it is as the life of a stay-at-home mom. So there's a quick update from Sweater Me, who just got done exercising about 2 or 3 hours ago, and I need to clean my room and clean up and make something for dinner for my husband, who's working late today. It's 6:30 in the evening. And I need to vacuum. My vacuum is sitting out right over here. Do you see it? Because I need to vacuum my floor. And I'll take it day by day, little by little bit. I don't know if this video is making any sense. My brain is all over the place. I vacillate between wanting to throw every single thing out in my house and eating chocolate while adding things to my Amazon cart. Which, thankfully I cannot buy because, you know, inflation. But God is good, and I finally am abiding in Him, and that is also good. Bye.